What's good, YouTube? Welcome to my world. Today we're gonna blow these up. My neighbor gave them to us, and we don't know if they're gonna blow us up or kill us. Who knows? They're like 40 years old, guys. Let's do this. Okay guys, Michael, his name is Uncle Joe. He's going to light it, the firecracker for safety purposes, because we don't know if it's gonna go fast or if it's gonna go really slow or if it's done. So Uncle Joe. Back up there.
Really old.
You can go. Going?
It's really old.
Is it going?
It's slowly going.
It is? Okay, well, we have that answered, so yeah. Blows up.
Oh yeah?
Can't make it go any faster. It's old. Old things don't move that fast.
Better be still going.
I think so. It's really short.
Oh! Come on. 5 years later. Okay guys. Okay guys, it didn't work.
Coffee, no air.
Is it going? Whoa.
Oh.
That one. Woo. That was good. That was good, guys. Like the video. Like the video. And subscribe. The bell is right there. Hit it. Okay, guys. This is the last one, the blue one. We're gonna put it in the box. Okay. Oh.
I got a lost head, Nirvana. Yeah, stop.
Cardboard. Light your fire.
Good. You got that? No.
Years later.
Guys, this is not working.
Okay guys, only one worked, but it was still good, guys. It was still really cool. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and bye. Bye, have a good night.